The Corsair 110q is built for those who want a quiet, sleek PC case that fits seamlessly into any setup. Its minimalist design hides 4 high-density sound dampening panels that work together to keep noise levels low, making it an ideal choice if you're tired of loud, distracting fans. This case supports up to 4 drives, giving you plenty of room for storage. It includes two 5-inch trays and 2 combo trays that can hold either 3 5-inch or 2 5-inch drives inside a removable cage. Plus, there's a 25-inch optical drive bay for added flexibility if you still use discs. Right out of the box, the 110q comes with a 120mm fan to keep your components cool. But it doesn't stop there. You can install up to 4 120mm fans or 2 140mm fans, or even multiple radiators if you're aiming for liquid cooling. This ensures your PC stays cool without compromising on quiet operation. Keeping your system clean is just as important as keeping it cool. That's why the 110q includes removable dust filters on the floor and front panels. These filters trap dust long after your build is complete, helping your PC run smoothly and look great for years. Users from the United States have praised this case for its quiet performance. One reviewer noted how it tamed noisy motherboard fans and eliminated distracting case fan sounds. It's especially popular among HTPC users who want a silent, unobtrusive case without flashy lights or loud fans. If you're someone who streams movies or plays Blu-rays through your HTPC, the 110q's quiet design makes it a standout. Even as streaming technology evolves, having a case that keeps noise down while providing solid cooling and storage options remains valuable. This is Corsair's second quiet-focused case that impressed longtime users. It strikes the right balance between functionality and silence. No flashy distractions, just reliable performance that fits any environment. If you're looking for a PC case that delivers quiet operation, flexible storage, and effective cooling, the Corsair 110q is worth a look. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your build with a case designed to keep things cool and calm.